Assalamualaikum to all of you. Today this is welcome to my YouTube channel Next Gen C. In today's video is about machine learning. Machine learning guaranteed today task is to get the scoring card. Now in this task, to get the score, what is the get the scoring task? First of all, I will tell about what is get the scoring card. Get the scoring. Now, the credit scoring model is basically a statistical tool used to evaluate an individual's or business credit worthiness. It is a numerical score based on various factors such as key factors: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, new credit requests, and how credit scoring model works. The first is the data collection algorithm and score calculations. Benefits is improve lending decision, increase efficiency, better risk management, common credit scoring model is FICO score, Vantage score. Now this is all I tell you credit scoring model. Now we will to start coding and we are code using again to spy the whatever ID you use. Import necessary libraries. Import pandas. So import num5 s np import panda s import mat plot where plot s plot import cpon.sns form skilearn dot model selection import then desperate from skilearn.preprocessing import standard scalar one out corner it's a CV from skilearn dot compose import column transformer from skilearn dot pipeline input, pipeline, from scalar dot input import sample input from scalar dot linear model import logistic logistic regression from scalar dot the import decision declaration from scalar dot example import random force classifier from scalar dot index import accuracy score, precision score, equal score, F1 score, ROC-AUC curve, ROC curve, confusion matrix, six, and classification report. No. Set visualization style. Visualization style. SNN start. Set style. Right gate. Float. Dot. RC parameters. Dot figure. Fig size. Is equal to 10, 6. Wrote the German and Credit Dataset from UCL University dataset, not data setly. If you're training the AI module, you have to know the data set also. Without data set, you're unable to train your AI, the AI model, machine learning model, or deep learning model. So this is the most basic important fundamental I say about the machine learning. Let's see start. UCI.edu.ml data sets state log plus German plus credit plus the data. It's just an example. I take data set of the German credit data set. You can do any country data set. It's just example. Now UL after that column, checking account duration, credit, credit is the purpose, dot, credit amount, savings account, employment, install, installment, rate, personal status, other debtors, residents, citizens, poverty, age, auto installment, and balance, housing, existing, existing, existing credits, job, reliable people, telephone, foreign worker, P4, no, data frame is equal to panda dot lead ACSV URL SAP eternal names column names no convert target variable one is equal to but no default is equal to pet default. Now data frame default is equal to data frame default what apply lambda x 0 if x is equal to 1 else no. Now feature engineering data frame data amount and to income tears dot data amount from data frame duration proxy or monthly income if age It's good. We have it multiplied to the installment rate squared mv dot log below dot df the data outcome. df is equal to installment rate squared. df install installment rate df imply stability and df df imply dot I sign not unemployed. Accessing the one to find now we have to turn the x and y variables. Now x, then test y, then y test is equal to then test split x y test size offset 0.25. Random state 42, 75 y. A for sensing pipeline. To make features installed there. No, not the code has been completed. Now, first I will explain the comprehensive machine learning code that builds a credit default prediction system using the German credit data. I will tell you each section by I will tell you every section by section. The first of all, the base inputs and setups. Now, this is the database. The code imports essential database data manipulations, pandas, NumPy visualizations just as matplotlib, like Seaborn, and machine learning, skit learning. It also sets up visualizations styling for consistent professional looking plots. Now, the data set. After data set, data the initial processing. You have is universal link and TF. And TF is readability.read CSV URL self heading. The command was the famous German character data set from UC. As already mentioned, data is an example German character of data set. From UCI repository which contains 1,000 loan application written with 20 features. Each loan representations a person application various attributes like checking account status, loan duration, grant amount, employment, etc. No. Target variable information is this is line call number 32. The default. The original data cell goes character as one and bad character as two. Now I will mention as here it is. Target variable 1 is equal to good, no default, and 2 is equal to bad, means default. Now feature engineering, now this is feature engineering comes up. The code gets several new features to potentially improve motor performance, credit amount to income, or proxy for tap to income ratio. Here selected are those who done PPL, the business finance, those people are Latino. You know, so those who don't have any business, they get, as I mentioned, to an easy words every day. No, it's great. What is it? It's great. Captures no lineage effect. And after that, the most bank always asks about the credit amount of first log transformation and the skewed credit amounts. It means credit amounts. No installment rate square. You have always listened this word installments. This year we have done this installment exposed 50,000 rupees dollars, $30, for example, as for giving installments. But in this programming language, Python machine learning, it is the non-linear installment rate effects. No, the major factoring is employment stability, funny features, indicating employment stability. These engineering features can have models captures complex relationships that might not be apparent in the original features. If you do MATLAB, it will be more complex, more time complexity, and lots of memory space, more memory consumed. Is it easier if you think machine learning, AI code, deep learning, use Python because there is already installed libraries. It depends on you, but I will recommend you to do Python. Kaggle is the best example for the technique model. Google Colabot, Google Notebook are the best software to train your machine learning module if you're expert. If you're not expert in this Kaggle, Google Notebook, Google Colabot, then use VS Code. It is best practice for the beginners. Now after that, you split the into 10 and tests. There are two variables x and y. X10, x test, y10, y test is equal to 10 test split. X and y we know to test as we take 0.25. It depends upon you which value you want to take test as you first. For example, you want to do 0.4, 0.35. It's upon you for your knowledge. And the results will be different. And out of said, I do 42 and 35. No, the main question lies, the main question you people are flashing is, why you use two variables for data split? Now the main thing is the data is split into 75% is standing. The most major about if you think machine learning code, artificial intelligence code, deep learning code, 75% you have to turn the module. And of 25%, only just 25% is the testing. With stratification, ensure process have the same proportion of difference. No, the major thing is 70. Image, can you believe that? First of all, I don't know this term. Well, what is data splitting? After doing research, now you have doing this research that 75%. You have very listened this word, then your AI module, then then your data module, but you don't know the exactly percentage. That what is the percentage of the learning and testing in university, you don't know. They don't tell you about. They tell you about the learning, data, then just simple. But the main thing is that you know, if you do give the interview, they will say they first of all tell me what is data splitting. You have to tell the two variables x and y. X then x test, y then y set. Now then that's what is the main I said main data, main library, main function I said that is the test of the x and y. So this is the most, now I will mention it. 75% training and 25% testing. I write in command just relax. After that, this pre-processing pipeline. The pre-processing lines comes up now. Now, first of all, we understand what is the pre-processing pipeline. The code is a sophisticated pre-processing pipeline than does the T things. Numeric features, catalytic features, just now I will tell you, now I will explain this thing. The numeric features is tell about the musical imputation using method and standardization means zero mean unit rates. For categorical features describes the missing value imputation using most frequent value. One-hot encoding to convert categories to values. As I mentioned, this is from screen line import standard scalar one hot encode. No, no, this pre-processing is crucial. Now, the crucial means it is very crucial, important, that the basic thing and the most, I said, cautious thing. Different features with the different scale age, graded amounts, children are different, teenagers are different, young people are different. all that which we call the senior citizen different current. No, machine learning algorithms often require numerical. What is machine learning algorithms? They basically focus on the numbers. They don't focus on the alphas. They focus only on numbers. If you said what is the machine learning algorithms, you said it requires numeric inputs. Does not describe the alphabets. Yeah, I may be wrong. Some program have different opinions. I'm telling about my opinion. Okay, so don't be worried. You people have some many answers, many opinions. What is the machine learning algorithms? Now after that comes the model training and the evaluation function. This is the most basic element of the machine learning algorithm because at the basic fundamental, I would say. No function, it then evaluate model functions to the heart of the analysis. For each model, it creates a complete pipeline. What is pipeline? As I already told, it is pipeline. Create pipelines, define function as a pipeline step, preprocessor classify model. Therefore, must mention model in the coding. Sorry. Ultimately ensures preprocessing and modeling are done together, preventing data leakage. I will tell you what is the data leakage. No, generates multiple metrics. Accuracy, overall coordinates, precisions, or predict features how many were actually false. Precision. Recall of actually false were called F1's commits harmonic mean of precision record. It will tolerate the statistical value, static. ROC, you see here under the ROC curve, region over curve. Accidentally imbalance strategy. Cost validation means 5-4 cost validation was a more robust estimator of motor performance pattern on different subsets. Visualization confusion matrix show to beta classic ROC curve plus to procedural versus false procedural. Now, model comparison, the core test, the difference. Logic regression means linear model interpretable good baseline classification. Sorry. Decision tree, nonlinear interaction automatically highly interpreted pattern can overfit random forest in simple of decision tree, usually more robust and the sovereign fitting pattern can capture complex patterns. The model selection, sorry, tell you everything. No, model selection features. The code automatically selects the best performance model based on ROC-AUC score. If enter first means it is best feature important, which favors the most data default protection. Based of this code, professional structures, complex evaluation, feature engineering, no post-validation visualization, scalability, business application, automatic assessment application, identify highest customer acceptability, interest, and reduced defaults. No, here comes the testing outputs. It is going to not taking time. No, look. The technique logistic, no, this is the other. Technique logistic regression model is logistic regression. Accuracy is given 0.7840, precision 0.66667, equals 0.560, M score 0.608, ROC-AUC 0.8114, CRC 0.754, is precision is 0.03 to classification report. Now, classification report comes equal to first 0, precision 0.82, 0.80, 0.85, 175. It's 0 bunny. The one precision 0.67 equals 0.56, M score 0.67, suppose 7 different accuracy, micro average where there is 0.75, 0.70, 0.70, 250, negative 0.78, 0.70, 0.78, same no, equal 250. No, this is the confusion matrix, null default, 154, no, actual default. This is confusion matrix. No, this is ROC curve. This is the logistic equation. This is false positive rate. Now again confusion and the ROC curve decision declassifier curve. No, this is the confusion matrix curve, ROC lambda force classifier. And no, first decision the curves which I mentioned to you, this comes. No, there the standing decision the curve this is model decision declassifier because it's 0.6560, precision 0.4535, legal 0.4930, F1 score 0.460, ROC-AUC 0.6095, CROC-AUC 0.6000, precision 0.2, classification report of 0.1, precision 0.77, 0.70, 0.75. This is the classification report of the technique decision. And now, this is the technique under forest classification report which I can show. And the model comparison ROC-AUC logistic regression 0.81 decision T 0.6095, lantern for 0.80. First model is logistic regression with ROC minus AUC. Now this is still all of the video. Please, if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and share this with your friends, family, relatives, and please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon so you get the informative videos and notification. So take care, I love you, goodbye. If you have any query, just add comment.